Welcome back everybody to Basic Math by Firdaus. How are you all? I hope that everybody is doing good. So today we are going to study about fraction. A girl from class 6, Amina, has commented me to make a video on chapter number 6 from class 7, fraction. So this video is for her. So the question is given. The first exercise of chapter number 6, fraction, is first question. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. First part is a triangle is made and number of parts in this triangle are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can write that number of shaded portion or number of shaded part that is equivalent to 2, and total number of parts are how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore fraction will be equivalent to number of shaded part divided by total number of part. That is, number of shaded part is how much? That is 2, and total number of part 4. Shaded part कितना है? 2 है. 2 ट्रायंगल शेडेड है जो इसके पार्ट है, और नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स आर 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So fraction is 2 by 4. Now we can divide it. We can cancel it out as 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So fraction will be 1 divided by 2. So this is the fraction. The second question. A square is made and how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of parts here is 9. And number of shaded parts. How many are shaded parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write it down. Total number of parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9. And number of shaded part. Number of shaded part is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8. Total part is 9 and number of shaded part is 8. Therefore, fraction will be number of shaded part divided by total number of part. That is 8. Shaded part कितना है? 8 है. Total number of parts कितने हैं? 9 है. 9. So fraction will be 8 by 9 and 8 by 9 cannot be simplified. 8 by 9 कोई भी ऐसा कॉमन नंबर नहीं है जिससे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों कैंसिल हो जाए. So our fraction will be 8 by 9. In first question what we have done, in the first question a triangle was given. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या था? एक ट्रायंगल हमें दिया हुआ था जिसमें नंबर ऑफ शेडेड पार्ट कितने थे? 2 थे. 1 and 2. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स कितने थे इस ट्रायंगल में? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So therefore fraction will be number of shaded part divided by total number of parts. Shaded part कितने थे? 2 थे, divided by total number of part, that is 4. 2 by 4 can be simplified by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So fraction will be 1 divided by 2 is our answer. So in the second one, a square was given and total number of parts was 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And number of shaded parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So therefore our fraction will be 8 divided by 9. हमारा fraction क्या होगा? Number of shaded parts, जो जितने parts shaded है square के, divided by जितने parts हैं इस square में. Shaded parts 8 हैं, total number of parts हमारे 9 हैं. So our answer is 8/9 is our answer. So the second question is given, color the part according to the given fraction. We have to color the part according to the given fraction. Here a circle is made and how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see in the denominator it is given 6. In the second one, how many parts are there total? In the denominator it is given 4, so we can check it out in the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Denominator में कितने parts इसमें दिए हुए हैं? 4 parts दिए हुए हैं. और हम अगर फिगर में चेक करें कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also denominator में कितने दिए हैं? 6 पार्ट दिए हैं. और अगर हम फिगर में चेक करें 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to color the part according to the given fraction. So 1 by 6. So we will color one part of this among 6 part. So कोई भी एक पार्ट हम इसका कलर कर देंगे. तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया? 1 by 6. Now the second one is color the part according to the given fraction. And a triangle is given and 4 parts is given. And how many parts we have to color? हमें कितने parts कलर करने हैं? हमें 1 part कलर करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? कोई भी इसका एक पार्ट कलर कर देंगे. So we'll color this part. So this is our required solution. So the third question is given, identify the error if any. हमें इसमें क्या, अगर कोई error है तो उसे find out करना है. So first part में क्या दिया है? एक triangle दिया है और दिया हुआ है एक portion इसका shaded है और क्या लिखा है? This is 1 by 2. क्या ये 1 by 2 है? इसमें कह रहा है ये 1 by 2 है. So we can see that it is not divided equally. जो इसके parts divided है, 2 parts हैं इस triangle के divide हुए हैं, वो equal नहीं है. So we can write it down. The shaded part is not 1 by 2. 1 by 2 नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि ये parts equally divide नहीं है. So in the second one, a rectangle is given and it is given this is 1 by 4. क्या इस 4 parts क्या ये equal है? Equal तो है नहीं. और इसका एक part तो color है but वो equal part नहीं है. So we can write it down. Parts are not equal. Therefore, this is not 1 by 4. इसीलिए ये क्या है? 1 by 4 नहीं है. 1 by 4 तब होता अगर ये पार्ट्स इक्वली डिवाइड होते, तो ये 1 by 4 होता. So the fourth question is given, what fraction of a day is 8 hours? So we know that what fraction of a day is 8 hours. So solution will be, there are how many hours in a day? So there are 24 hours in a day, and we are given how many hours? 8 hours. Therefore the required fraction, the required will be 8 divided by 24. So we can divide it 8 by 24. It is divisible by any number. So 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So answer will be 1 by 3. So answer will be 1 divided by 3 is our answer. So thank you everybody, and please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Basic Math by Firdaus. You all can also follow me on my Telegram channel, and the link of the channel is given in your description box. If you have any query related to the topic, then you can comment me on the comment section, or if you want me to make video on any specific topic related to the maths, then you can also comment me on the comment section, and please practice this all question, and also follow me on my Instagram ID, which is Basic Math. So thank you everybody and have a nice day.